Ria,
Sanju? What is all this, police?
look, madam, he is a criminal and he has been caught in a case of money laundering. And after interrogation, we have known that he has hidden some money with his girlfriend. Are you his girlfriend?
Don't say this by mistake that you are his girlfriend. Otherwise, police will take you with them as well. Why will I lie? If I am his girlfriend, so what's wrong in it? Don't you understand? He is charged for money laundering. You have to go for courts and police stations if you'll tell them that you are his girlfriend and you never know you have to pay the money as well. I'm just telling you right now, tell them you're not his girlfriend. Swara, what are you saying this? He's my boyfriend. We thought for marriage as well. I trust Sanju completely. He can never do things like this. Have you gone crazy? Police is in front of you and you are telling he can't do like this. He did this, that's why he's here, understood? Look, whatever it is, my partner is in danger and I have to support him. I can't leave him alone. You can get better guys than him. His life is getting ruined, so let it be. Because of him, why are you spoiling your life? Do what I'm telling you, Ria. Go in front of them and tell them you don't know him. That's it. I'm sorry, Swara, but I can't take your advice. We both promised each other, no matter whatever situation is there in our life, we will always be together, we will always support each other. Yes, sir, tell me.
Are you his girlfriend?
Yes, sir, I'm his girlfriend.
Your boyfriend has been caught in a case of money laundering. Did you know about all this?
No, but I trust on Sanju. He can never do such illegal things. There is some misunderstanding.
Oh, police is wrong, huh? Wow, madam. Please be aware that you can also go with him in the jail.
If I have to go, I'll go behind the bars. But I have faith on my partner. He can never do these things.
Whether he can or not, we'll find out in the court. Yes, if you want, then we can save your boyfriend. We will get him out of this case.
How?
It will cost 2 lakh rupees on the spot. Case over.
Sanju, are you really involved in this money laundering case?
No, Ria, I didn't do anything. They have some misunderstanding. Madam, we have proof. And if the case goes to the court, then it will take a long time. Give me 2 lakh rupees. End this case here only.
Okay, I'll give you 2 lakh rupees.
But Ria, from where will you get the money?
I will arrange from somewhere, you don't worry. You tell me where and how to give you money.
Oh,
Have you gone crazy? Why are you paying money for him? He's my boyfriend. Ria, why don't you understand? He's a criminal. You're going to ruin your life with him. If my life will ruin or it will be good, I don't care. Whatever happens, I'll see. And he's not a criminal. I know him very well. No one knows him better than me. And you please be quiet. Now what is this?
will you marry me?
Marry me? What all is going on here?
I'll tell you. These are my friends. And this was a prank.
Seriously? Prank? But how?
I'll tell you. I was coming to propose you today. I told them, so they said, let's do a prank with sister-in-law that police has caught you and we will see your reaction. Ria, I knew that you love me, but I didn't know that you will support me in such a situation. No matter what anyone says, you won't believe anyone. You know that I can never do anything wrong.
Yaar, who does such a prank? You know how scared I was?
I'm sorry. Tell me, will you marry me?
Yes.
I love you.
I love you too.
Congratulations to both of you.
Thank God this was a prank. I was scared. By the way, you look so good together. No one should cast an evil eye on you.
Bro, first you take her out of this house. A girl like her shouldn't be your friend. This girl had separated us both today, man. If someone else would be here on your place, then she would have gotten carried away by her words and pretended that she don't know me.
I am not like others.
That's why you're my girlfriend.